Hi everyone, Money Talk with Birdman here. Just wanted to touch on a subject that I've been talking about. Um, uh, been talking about Bitcoin going to 2,000, and I also made another prediction that BSV or Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is going to go down to 2. Right? So you don't understand. I mean, you don't have to understand why I am saying that. You don't. All I'm doing right now is I am just reminding people that I think that the Bitcoin bottom will be at or near 2,000. Okay, and Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, the bottom there will be around $2. Okay, so when you see anything close to when you see anything close to 2,000, get your wallets out and start buying. Okay, of course this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But you know what? Keep a timestamp on it. Hold me accountable. See if what I'm telling you is gonna come true. All right. Thank you for watching.